Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today we are going to be cook chicken Seekh kebab for iftar. It's very simple, easy and fast recipe. So let's start. So I am using a fresh 1.5 pound chicken keema, and we will need mint, fresh coriander, 1 large onion, and fresh ginger, garlic and green chili, little bit of unsalted melt butter. Here are a few spices: 3 tablespoons besan chana flour, 3 tablespoons Seekh kebab masala, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Now we need to grind the ginger, garlic and onion along with the green chili. I am going to be use any air fryer, so no oil. If you don't have any air fryer, you can use the same recipe via oven. The only difference will be that the air fryer is fast and good for health. So we need to remove the onion juice. Now I will grind the keema and we will mix both. Now we will cut the coriander and mint. Now we will add all the spices and butter. So now carefully mix and refrigerator for around 3 hours. After 3 hours, we will oil our hand and spread it on the kebab using a skewer. So now we will put the air fryer to 350 degrees for 10 minutes. I added cooking sheet down and polished it with butter so the kebab adjusted better. After 10 minutes, we will fill up the kebab and put it again for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the kebab is ready and it's look delicious and so juicy. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.